Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a close friends list on Instagram, feature tutorial step by step clearly. Open Instagram on your phone and make sure you are logged into the correct account. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner to open the main menu. Tap Settings and Privacy to access your account options. Scroll down until you find who can see your content and tap Close Friends. On the Close Friends page, read the short info so you understand this list is private and only visible to you. Tap Get Started if you see it, or Continue if Instagram takes you directly to the list screen. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find the people you want to add. Tap Add next to a person's name to include them in your close friends list. Repeat the same action for each person you want to share private stories with. If you add someone by mistake, tap Remove to take them off the list. Remember that people do not get a notification when you add or remove them from close friends. When you are done, tap Done or the back arrow to save your close friends list. Now return to the Instagram home screen by tapping the home icon. To post a story, tap your story or the plus button and select Story. Choose a photo or video from your gallery or capture one using the camera. Edit your story with text, stickers, music, or effects as you normally would. On the sharing screen, tap Close Friends instead of your story to share only with the list. Confirm that the story posts and look for the green Close Friends indicator on your story. To check who can see it, remember only the people you added to the Close Friends list will have access. To update your list later, go back to your profile and open the three-line menu again. Tap Settings and Privacy and then tap Close Friends to edit the list anytime. Add new people by searching and tapping Add next to their names. Remove people by tapping Remove, and the change will apply immediately. If you want to double-check your list, scroll through it slowly and confirm the right names are included. For better privacy, keep the list small and only include trusted accounts. If you have multiple accounts, switch accounts and repeat these steps separately for each one. Test it by posting a quick close friends story and confirming it is not visible to everyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.